Have you ever wondered about the beauty and importance of bird sanctuaries? These sanctuaries serve as crucial habitats for various bird species and provide safe spaces for nesting and migration. The protection of these habitats helps in maintaining the ecological balance and preserving the natural biodiversity. By promoting conservation and environmental awareness, bird sanctuaries play a vital role in educating the public about wildlife preservation and habitat protection. Join us in exploring the breathtaking beauty of these sanctuaries and the incredible diversity of bird life they support.